Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to UCLA Resnick Neuropsychiatric Hospital Nurses Week celebration. My name is Jimmy Saria. I am your nurse and a co-host today. I'm here with my colleague and a co-host, Mr. Kelly Costello, who is a newest member of ISA. We put him right to work.
So here at NPH, nurses do make a difference, and there's a reason that NPH is ranked number 5 for psychiatry in the nation, as we have some of the best nurses who are truly making a difference in the daily lives of those with mental health challenges. And I'd just like to take a moment to thank each and every one of you.
To celebrate nurses and kick things off, please help me welcome our Chief Nurse Officer, Mr. Patrick Long.
Thank you, everyone. We're here in person and to celebrate nursing and to celebrate all of the great work that you do. I've been here 5 months now, so I can say this with some conviction. I have never met a better nursing team. I have been absolutely inspired when I round. Seeing the kindness and compassion and the recovery model and the relationship that you have with patients, that's not just a thing on a wall or in a book. Anyway, but we have a lot to celebrate today. We have a lot of awards to give out, so thank you, everybody. Have a great day.
In medical school, I thought about pursuing a career in surgery. It's awesome how you can repair and replace things that are broken with a scalpel and a stitch. So I stood there alongside the surgical nurses and the OR staff, and I remember thinking, wow, we're going where no one else will ever go, deep inside the body. So I became a psychiatrist instead. And I'm glad I did. Because maybe you've considered this before, but our practice of psychiatry is just as invasive as surgery. It's just a totally different dimension. We go, you and I go, perhaps where no one else will go, deep inside the mind and the experience and the lives of patients. They'll tell you things that they won't tell anyone else. And I might say that your calling to be here as a psychiatric nurse is the most challenging. And thank you all. It's a true privilege to be among you. Happy Nurses Week.
How wonderful to see everybody out here this week to celebrate nurses and to celebrate all the things you do and how you make a difference. Happy Nurses Week. I've been awed by the things that you've all accomplished, and I think all of you should pat each other on the backs, pat yourselves on the backs, and truly celebrate what you've done to make a difference. You do extraordinary things in the course of a not-so-ordinary day, and very few people know that. So please find your voices, advocate for yourselves, tell Patrick and I how we can advocate for you so that people come to understand the true difference you make in the lives of our patients and each other. And with that said, Happy Nurses Week. You do make a difference, and thanks for inviting me.
And we will now begin our award ceremony.
I spent a good amount of time thinking about how to honor Hargul Nazarian for the Educator of the Year award. Hargul spends extra time to teach physicians and nursing staff about the medications administered to patients. Hargul is a vital part of the interdisciplinary team and also connects Resnick with any updates from the greater health system. Hargul, thank you for your outstanding educational efforts and accomplishments. Congratulations on your work.
Well, I just want to say thank you for this award. It was very unexpected, and it means a lot to me because I really am passionate about teaching, and I do it because I love it. So it's nice to be, recognized for it, but that's not why I do it. So I do it because I love it. I do it because it's good for the patients and it's good for the hospital. And thank you so much.
Awesome.
But Sharon Singh is kindness, knowing people as human beings, organization, follow through, and just, I don't know what you say to people. You're the most persuasive person on the planet. Sharon keeps NPH running. I honestly don't know what we would do without her. Sharon is well loved in Resnick, a sweet, gentle, and kind soul, dedicated in her work and genuinely care for others. She exudes calm and and makes you smile on a hectic day. Sharon's dedication, hard work, and kindness is extremely valuable to the nursing team. Our day-to-day operations go smoothly because of her efforts. Thank you, Sharon.
Happy to present the Innovation Award to the 4 East staff for their work with wireless headphones. So wireless headphones were introduced to all the neighborhoods on 4 East. The headphones were a welcomed addition as COVID has limited many of the recreational options for our patients. There was such an overwhelming demand for the headphones that additional sets were ordered. And during the months following the introduction of the headphones, restraint and seclusion numbers decreased significantly. Patients reported a decrease in anxiety following the use of the headphones, and the 4 East staff were key to the success of this project. And so it's been a wildly successful addition and a great use of innovation. So congratulations. And I'm so proud to be a part of this team. I am very honored to present the Recovery Nurse Award, and I'm going to read some information about this individual and announce the awardee. So, exceptional psychiatric nurses excel at the seemingly routine aspect of talking and listening to their patients in an empathic and non-critical manner, and in a way that advocates for the patient, minimizes the stigma that can often be associated with mental illness. And our recipient, Elizabeth Grillo, easily embodies those and many other characteristics. And she really is an excellent patient advocate. So, congratulations, Elizabeth. There are other things that have been said. She's a wonderful patient care provider, nurse, and leader on our unit. So, really honored to have this. You got everything? We got a picture.
Your teammate of the year. So stop for a second and think about what that means. One shining light, and her name is Kimberly Lucio. Kim is a great supporter and advocate for our patients across all programs she works in. She provides quality care with heartfelt empathy and compassion. She does not shy away from working with all age groups and populations. She is quick to lend a hand to anyone that requires it. She is flexible and accomplishes all the tasks needed to ensure a safe patient environment. In addition, she constantly learns evidence-based practices to using all the populations and the programs she touches.
Exemplary professional practice is defined as a nurse who is autonomous and exercises clinical and operational judgment in the context of the larger organization and healthcare system. The recipient of this award is Kenneth Matthews, night shift CM2. He's unable to make it today, but will accept the award on his behalf. Ken's colleagues write, he is always willing to support his team and step up when challenges arise. He is an excellent charge nurse and great resource on night shift. He takes care of his patients with compassion and treats others with professionalism, dignity, and respect. He assists his colleagues without hesitation. He identifies improvement opportunities for the unit and participates in finding solutions to overcome challenges. Thank you, Ken. Congratulations.
So for transformational leadership, and the recipient of this award is Jomar De La Peña. Let's come here. He worked last night on 4 East, worked on 4 North this morning, and he's still here, guys, okay? Jomar De La Peña easily and effortlessly embodies the many positive aspects of transformational leadership. He's a champion for his fellow nurses' involvement in continuous improvement project. Jomar was also chosen as one of the podium presenters during last year's APNA National Conference. And the last one, he became certified last year for ANCC. So thank you, Jomar. Do you want to say something?
I'm speechless, but thank you so much. I'm still up. Thank you for my manager, Susan Rapport, and Sunny Dishman. And this award is also for, I'm extending this one for the night shift as well, because they've done a great job like working with one another, and for the night shift PC as well.
Good afternoon. It is my pleasure to present the Evidence-Based Practice Nurse Award. This nominee empowers professional practice by engaging in research and exploration of innovations that improve patient care outcomes. They routinely utilize, disseminate, and exemplify optimal use of EBP to ensure appropriate standards of care used. They are also involved in generating new knowledge. This year's recipient frequently volunteers to precept nursing and new grad students. As co-chair of the hand hygiene committee, she led the effort to improve hand hygiene compliance in NPH. This includes updating the hand hygiene education video, which you probably saw lots of NPH members in that video, and also rounding on the units with the glow germ box to demonstrate effective hand hygiene. Please help me congratulate Ira Hawk. Oh my God.
We love you,
I guess the beauty of this is I love what I do. I love teaching. I love being there for my team. And I thank you all for everything.